Okay, so I quickly realized once I built this cabinet here that it was quite difficult to lift the blade and to tilt it. So I came up with a quick solution, pretty cheap. Made it electric and used some windshield wiper motors and built a switch box down there and show you guys what it does. So the bottom or the top one here lifts you up and down. The bottom one is for tilting. I want to tilt that way. So it's not super fast. I'm waiting on my larger power supply, give a little more amps, and I should be able to dial up the voltage just a little bit, make it a little quicker. But yeah, the next few pictures here I'll show you kind of how I built it, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I started off with some wiper motors from a truck. Give it a little more torque. Remove everything off the top end. Then you grab a piece of thin wall pipe that fits over your crank bolts on your table saw. I had to drill mine out a little bit. Then you slot the end of it to fit over your roll pin so that it actually has something to hold on to. The other side, you cut a bunch of notches and hammer it down slightly cone shaped. Then you can slide that over the end of the wiper motor, put a tack on one side, run it, get it square, then continue your weld. Make sure you cool it off. Remove the back end, weld on a chunk of rod. That's going to be how it keeps the motor from spinning around in circles. Just a 2-gang junction box, some 6-pole switches, intermittent. I'm only running 2 right now. One will be for the router once I get that lift in place. Here's once it's assembled and in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.